Hey guys, so another new video coming to you for a new phone also. I was checking on Kijiji and Buddy wanted basically wanted a trade. He had the HTC One X and wanted something new, so I hit him up, asked him, would you like to trade for the Samsung Galaxy Note GT-N7000, and it was a go. So this is the phone that I'm using now, HTC One X. Got the Beats audio, 8 meg cam, I believe it's a 4.7 inch Super LCD screen. Really nice screen. Yeah, it's running a dual core chip. It's the, I believe, dual core 1.5 gigahertz S4 chipset, Snapdragon chipset, and I find this really snappy. I'm not running the Sense UI on this. I am running the Go Launcher, obviously, as you see. I have it on random, so the transitions are all different every time. See, the new one, that one slides in, this one fades in. Very smooth. Go here. Very nice. This slides on the bottom. I'm running these toggles here. These are individual toggles from it's from the Go Launcher called Switch. So you can download that as part of the launcher. I like it. Runs very smooth. I'm gonna be picking up some. I have a couple on order from eBay. Actually, I'll just show you. Go here to my eBay account. So I've got a bunch of cases coming. Got this case, orange plastic, skid-proof hard case. So hopefully that actually is skid-proof. Not bad for $398. I have this other one, quicksand. I'm assuming quicksand is like it has a gritty back, or the whole case is a little bit gritty, so it's grippy. For $7. What else we get? Black matte TPU case, silicone TPU. This one is $1.99. Can't beat it. And what else? I have an extra external battery pack, like the Morphe. Let's make this a little bit bigger. You can see it basically slides into the back, and then you clip the top on, so it looks like that. If you go here, I was also wondering how it connects, because this is the connector, the micro USB connector, and the way it connects is right. I'm going to show you on this picture. Right here. These two connectors here matches up to one of these two on the back of the phone, and that's how it gets its power. Has all the proper holes. These light up. If you see here, the bottom of the case lights up to tell you your power level. It's pretty cool. It's an extra 3,200 milliamps because the stock battery is 1,800 milliamps. So hopefully it lasts me all day. If not, I'll just pick up another one for the cost of $19. Not bad. The only thing that kind of sucks still is that this is a 16 gig internal, so really can't do much about that. Picked up two of these for $19 each. Hopefully they're really nice. It's a power bank. It has a dual USB output for charging. Comes with all these different plugs for $20. Not bad at all, because this is 20,000 milliamps. The ones at Best Buy going for what are they going for? They're going for between 5,000 and 7,500, and the prices are 60 to 80 bucks, 20 bucks for 20,000. Not bad at all. Here's another good deal from eBay I picked up. 32 gig card, micro SD class 10 for about 26 bucks, 27 bucks. Pretty good. Also for my phones, I picked this up. You guys might be interested in, off of eBay. So micro USB charging cable, charging in for transferring your info, 10 foot, and I got 6 of those for $14.94. Awesome deal. And then I got 4 of these chargers. They're wall chargers, and they're dual output, 1 amp each for charging. So I got 4 of those with 10 foot cables coming in. So it's very nice. So once again, this is HTC One X. Runs very smooth. Haven't really had the need or want to root it, but I still might, because the ROM I used to run on my Galaxy Note GT-N7000, the Carbon ROM, is also available for this, and that was a really great ROM. So anyway, stay tuned for my next video.